Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the UGC Carousel section. The UGC Carousel section allows you to showcase user-generated content through engaging videos, helping build trust, increase social proof, and create a more authentic shopping experience for your customers. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the UGC Carousel section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the UGC Carousel section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings, then open Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the UGC Carousel section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for UGC Carousel and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the UGC Carousel section will be displayed: desktop, mobile, or both. Use container size to control how wide the UGC Carousel section appears on the page. Default keeps standard spacing on both sides of the section. Full expands the content to full width, removing left and right spacing for a bold, wide visual effect. Use columns on desktop to determine how many videos are displayed side by side on larger screens. Enable loop video to make videos play continuously. Disable it if you'd prefer each video to stop after a single playback. Enable autoplay videos to have videos start playing automatically. Disable this option if you'd like visitors to manually play each video. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. Choose None to hide the background pattern, or explore a variety of styles, including curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. From subtle geometric textures to bold decorative designs, each pattern brings its own distinctive character to help you create the perfect look for your storefront. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100% to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Under Enable slider, you can choose where the logo slider will be displayed. Both devices' sliders will be visible on desktop and mobile. Desktop-only slider will appear only on computers and laptops. Mobile-only slider will appear only on phones and tablets. None slider will not appear anywhere effectively hidden. When autoplay is enabled, the slider automatically scrolls through the content. Adjust the autoplay speed setting to control how quickly the slides move. Enable loop to make the slider continuously cycle through all available slides. Enable show dots to display navigation dots below the slider, allowing visitors to switch between slides easily. Enable show arrows to display left and right navigation arrows for quick slide navigation. For styling, select arrow color as either Inherit to use your theme's default color, or Custom to choose your own. You can also set a custom arrow color and a custom arrow background color for complete design control. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. Match the UGC Carousel section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. You can enhance your section with blocks such as advanced double button, caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. You can add a block here and open video settings to begin customizing your UGC Carousel content. The video file option allows you to upload and display videos directly within the carousel, helping showcase authentic customer experiences and engaging visual content. The video URL field lets you embed videos hosted externally by simply pasting the video link. Use the cover image setting to upload a thumbnail that will be displayed before the video begins playing. The alt text field allows you to add descriptive text for your video thumbnail, improving accessibility and supporting SEO best practices. The product selector lets you link a specific product to the video, making it easier for customers to discover and shop featured items directly from the carousel. And that's it. Your UGC Carousel section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.